Can we talk about this Olipop cream soda for a second? Because I have literally been searching for a cream soda that actually tastes like a proper cream soda for so long.
Okay, this ad, I literally made it in 5 minutes with just a single conversation I was having with Creatify's new agent. I literally used no camera, no actors, no filming or editing. Just Creatify's AI agent that takes your script and turns it into a finished video ad with an AI persona, captions, music, and a clear call to action. Honestly, it's pretty crazy what brands can do today with AI. So I'm gonna show you how to make your own video ads step by step. I'll write an ad script and turn it into a finished video using Creatify, an AI ad tool built specifically for e-com brands. And later in this video, I'll show you the one setting inside this tool that almost everyone making AI ads skips. But it will literally make your AI avatar look and sound 10 times more natural and stops the video from looking like AI slop. But first, why does this even matter for small brands in 2026? Well, today marketers know how to write great ad scripts. The problem is what comes next. Hiring actors and content creators costs them thousands. Booking a shoot takes weeks, and editing footage eats hours every single day. And by the time you've shipped one ad, your competitors have already shipped 10 or more. So that's where AI video tools come in. They take the part most marketers can't do, which is the production, and turn it into something you handle in minutes from your laptop. So for the demo today, I'm going to use Creatify because it's probably one of the most well-known AI ad tools for e-com brands. With Creatify, you have access to TikTok UGC ads, talking head avatars, static image ads, product demos, all in just one workspace. I want to dive deep into one of the most recent tools, which is Creatify's Agent. And the product demo I'm going to be using is Olipop's cream soda, because they're the kind of DTC brand running this exact playbook right now. If you use Creatify's AI agent, it's the easiest way to go from a script or generate a script to a finished AI ad without touching any settings or hopping between tools. All that you do is just talk to it like you would ChatGPT. You drop in your product links and you tell the AI agent what you want, and it handles the research, the avatar creation, the script generation, even the voiceover and captions, as well as the final edit of your AI ad. All of it's just inside one chat. Now, there's 4 steps that you want to take, and let me show you exactly how to do them. Okay, so first you want to go into Creatify's AI agent, and then once you're in there, you also want to paste in the product link. Now, for our demo, I'm using Olipop's cream soda. Okay, so now that we've got the products link inside the agent, I don't want to start generating ads just yet. Instead of asking it to build us anything, I wanted to get us to do research and find ads that are working that we are going to model our script from first. So I'm going to ask it to find and research around 3 UGC ads, which are solo talking head creators, and they're talking about a certain product or even a drink. But before you hit send, you also want to ask the agent to confirm how many credits this will take before it generates. Now, the research itself only ran me around 12 credits, but you want to make sure you confirm how many credits every single prompt and generation is going to cost you. Always make the agent estimate for you first, so you don't accidentally burn through 100 plus credits all in one go, or on any jobs you didn't even mean to kick off. Now, after a while, you see that the agent comes back with 3 real talking head UGC ads, and they're complete with the view counts and a breakdown of the format, hook, and structure of each one. And the agent even tells you which structure format would work best for your product. Honestly, this is your shortcut to picking a winning format instead of having to guess. So now for step 2, what I'm going to do is I really like the second option here. So I quite like how natural it looks, and it's just a natural talking head format. So I'm going to tell the agents that I want us to model this reference outlier. If you want as well, during this step, you can even add in extra context about the type of avatar you want, the background to add in also, and if there's any other edits or assets that you want the video to have, you can add it to your prompt in this step as well. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as it is, just because I really like how this outlier looks. At the same time though, whenever you're adding prompts to Creatify's agent, I do like to keep the prompts quite short because I don't want to over describe the avatar or setting, because sometimes the agent already has the references it needs and it will just use that as its structural blueprint. So adding any more context can confuse it if it writes in paragraphs upon paragraphs. Also, again, before you click generate, you want to make sure that you get the credit confirmation again, just so you have an estimation about how many credits this task is going to take. If the viral research for this step didn't work and it didn't give you anything that you want to use, you can skip that step and immediately write in your script and start making the agent come up with ad ideas that you can use. And then as you'll see, the agent will come back with a full breakdown before generating anything. It might tell you the plan, the script it's going to use, the assets it's going to pull from, and the credits estimate. And for this task, it was around 26 to 30 credits. It will then ask you whether you're comfortable to go ahead. And if so, I'm going to reply and type in go ahead. And then I'm going to wait again and just let it run and do its thing. And then now for step 3, you literally just want to let the agent build you the full ad. You just watch it work. The agent is going to kick off everything in parallel. It'll literally be creating the personas, it'll be selecting the music to have in the background, and it'll be directing all the different scenes to even have in your ad, all running at the same time. And from all the insights is gained from the analysis, it'll be able to write the script, pick the suitable avatar, and then generate the voiceover, the scenes, and then stitch everything together for your final video. And honestly, this is what makes this agent different from having any kind of manual workflow, because you're not jumping between multiple avatar libraries, then a script editor tab, then having to add in captions yourself. Then once you're done, having to export everything into a render queue, because the agent literally handles every single step for you in just this chat. And literally just like that, within minutes, we finally have an ad. Honestly, using Creatify Agent is so much more easier compared to manual workflows. Okay, so once the ad is generated, you've got a couple of quick polish moves before you can export. For our example, honestly, it came out absolutely fine. But if the voice felt a bit off or flat, you can ask the agent to literally redo the delivery with more emotion. You can make any kind of adjustments by literally just prompting it. Also, Creatify's voice model can match emotional tone the same way a real voice actor would. So you have a lot of flexibility in how you can prompt it. Or if the avatar looks off, maybe the eyes just aren't quite right, or any products have hallucinated, or the framing and the composition of the shot just isn't what you wanted. Again, just prompt the agent and tell it exactly what you want, and then it will regenerate and make those edits for you without having to rebuild the whole ad. But as I said, the example that we've got here is honestly perfect. So we can now go to Projects tab, and then we can find the ad that we just created, and then literally just hit export. And then from there, you can even share it via the link, or you can post directly to your socials, or you can launch it as a paid campaign to Meta, TikTok, or even AppLovin's Axon network without having to leave Creatify. And just like that, here's the final ad.
Can we talk about this Olipop cream soda for a second? Because I have literally been searching for a cream soda that actually tastes like a proper cream soda for so long. This is genuinely my new favorite drink. You guys don't understand. I cannot stop thinking about this vanilla flavor. It tastes like someone took a marshmallow float and just put it in a can. And on top of that, it has 9 grams of fiber. 9 in a soda. My gut has never been happier in its entire life. I'm not even playing. I will only be drinking this from now on. My fridge is fully stocked. Ask my friends. Ask my mom. This is the one. Thank you, Olipop.
So in just one workflow, you've gone from the blank script to a paid campaign running on the platform of your choice. Again, you don't need an editor. There's no production agency. You can just use your laptop and an idea and you're good to go. With this workflow in Creatify Agent, if you want to test 10 different versions of a specific ad, maybe you want to swap the hooks, use different avatars or different angles, you can literally go back into the agent chat, prompt it to swap 1 or 2 elements, and then generate multiple different alternatives in literally minutes. So if you want to access 10 free credits to test Creatify now, use the sign up link down below and in the description. That's enough credits to make your first 2 or 3 videos and see if this workflow fits your brand. So just pick a product, write a quick script, and in 5 minutes, you'll have a finished ad ready to test. I'm Sen, thanks for watching. Make sure to check out this video for more gems.